Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to check cloud backups. So if the cloud backup was enabled on your old phone, install the Microsoft App Authenticator on the new device and select Begin Recovery or Restore from Backup and sign in with the same Microsoft account to restore account. And for the second way, you have to use the recovery codes. If there is no any backups discovered, you basically need to access the server's recovery page and follow the instructions to get the code. And for the third way, you have to contact Microsoft support, and for that way you need to verify your identity and provide relevant account details for assistance. But if you work in an organization, you need to contact your IT department so they can help you. Once your account is restored, you need to set up an additional recovery option like backups codes or email recovery. And for the future reference, you need to enable the cloud backups so you don't have to go through all this pain again. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.